Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to transfer Notepad to Excel. So guys, first thing that you must understand is first open up Excel on the PC. And now here on the Excel, go to the file over here. And now just simply go for open over here. Now just simply go for browse and just simply select the text file that you have. So from here, if you don't see it, you just simply select this one, all Excel files, and just simply select text files. And now I have a sample text file over here. So click on it and select open. And from here, you could have delimited, which characters such as commas or tabs separate each field. Or you could go for fixed width, which fields are aligned in columns with spaces between each field. So you will have here start import at row, and you will have the file origin as well. So pretty much this will be depending on you. I'm going to go for fixed width and select next. And from here, you will have the data preview over here, and you will have the instructions and select next. And after that, you could edit each column and set the data format as well over here. So pretty much I don't want to change anything, and just simply go ahead and select finish over here. And after that, you will have the text file transferred to the Excel over here. And now just simply select file, select save as, and select a location. I'm going to go for a desktop. And now just simply go ahead and select a location and just simply select save as type. And I'm going to go for Excel workbook, and I'm going to go for the file name as it is and select save. And now we will have our Excel file over here. And now we just had transferred the notepad to Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.